Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will analyze the different methods for placing elements on tilted walls in Autodesk Revit. Today, we'll cover 3 effective methods to help you work with tilted walls efficiently. Let's get started. The first method involves using the Forming Freestanding Wall command. This method is straightforward, but remember, the walls should not be wider than 50 centimeters, as BIM2Form won't function correctly otherwise. Select the Form Freestanding Wall command and click on the tilted wall. Group the elements and orient them to the wall panel. Ensure you check the Disjoint option and select Place as the rotation center. Manually adjust the brackets afterward on both sides. The advantage of this method is that almost everything can be placed automatically, making it efficient for quick setups. The second method is ideal for especially steep walls. Here's how it works. Use the hotkey CM to place a component. Click on Place on Face to place the element directly onto the wall surface, adjusting it with the spacebar on your keyboard. Place the next element oriented to the surface of the first element. Now you can copy and paste the element multiple times according to the wall. You could also draw a section so you can view the wall parallel. Subsequent elements are placed oriented to the side of the first element. You can still replace the element with another element of a different size afterward. This method is particularly useful for very steep walls where precise alignment is crucial. The third method is a bit more advanced and involves cloning. Here's the step-by-step process. Place an element and align it to the wall. Create a group from the element. Right-click and select Create Similar to place a similar element. Position this group to the side. Draw a section to orient and rotate the group to the wall surface. Manually place multiple elements lateral to the copied element. Enter the group, click Add, select the elements to clone to the tilted wall, and then click a Finish. The benefit of this method is its versatility. You can clone various elements, like anchors, tie rods, or guiding rails, onto the tilted wall. And that's it. You now know 3 effective methods for placing elements on tilted walls in Autodesk Revit. Each method has its unique advantages, so choose the one that best suits your project's needs. For more information, visit our website and contact us to get a 14 days free trial of BIM2Form.